come here. We'll serve you. Oh, we're ready. We're almost there. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Oh, slow down. No. Welcome to this page of our lives. On today's page, we're going to be rafting down the Bow River here in Calgary, and we want to welcome you to come along with that. So let's go.
It's just a laid back vibe, baby.
Baby Nathan. Yes.
And so we can toss you into this.
Yeah, we can toss you.
Off we go. Oh yeah, team, are we ready?
Of course.
Wait, what's this river called?
Bow River.
Is it Bow River? Okay. So we're ready to go rafting. Say something before you go, Miriam. Nathan, come here. Say something before you go. So this is one of our
Who? Me?
Yes.
I'm one of you?
One of our team that does not know how to swim.
Yes.
Where did Nathan go? Nathan!
Sorry about that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Yes.
I am their favorite, of course. I know how to swim and kids everywhere, right?
Except yourself.
I don't like you.
Yes. And that's the rest of the team, and we are ready to
It
go.
ain't nothing but a laid back vibe.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Nah. Ew! What happened? The water is cold? We ready? All right. There's more people. So these people started that way then. It looks like they started from where we left the first car.
Very comfortable wherever you sit.
Back. Oh, front.
Great. Okay. I'm gonna
You can.
But I want to get water.
You want to get, what are you trying to get? Let them.
sit your bum down.
Fish.
Put your bum down. I don't want you moving around.
It is crushing me, Nathan. Here. Look here. Look here, Nathan. Miriam, why are you scared? Nathan, stop wasting it. Sound of the water.
Will that crash? Is that
What?
crash?
Cochrane up to here?
Like 7 hours? Say hi, guys.
Hey!
I'm eating parking.
Yeah, you're eating. This is fun. But it would have been better in a sunny day.
One. Thank you. Mommy. Mom.
Dito po, sige.
The water has decided we have to go to the edge.
It's raining and we got 3 hours. Give up. Yeah. Are you having fun?
No, I saw that bug. Whoa, rocks, rocks, rocks.
Are we? I think we should keep going. I think we should keep going.
No. It's raining. Mommy, it's raining already.
Oh yeah, it's raining.
I feel it. The water just landed in my ear.
Boy, come on. Alafu you see the white butter? And you go for kind of now, wait.
It's raining, wait.
But you just nothing.
No, it wants its mommy.
It wants its mommy.
Yeah.
But I want to be its mommy. Can I be its mommy? You're so relaxing being out here.
It's raining.
Are we competing in a way with it?
Yeah, we're racing him. I think it was last.
Let's catch it! Come here! Mabeli, let's catch it! Come here! Come here! We'll save you! Oh, Mabeli, we're almost there! Oh, come on! Come on, Mabeli! Come on! Oh, slow down! No! Oh, it's a little one. That's lost.
It wanted its mommy.
Pause. So at this point, we got rained on really hard, so we hopped out of the boats, left them on the shore, and went to seek shelter in the 7-Eleven.
I look up because you want
You tell them that we're wet. You tell them that we're wet.
We are at 7-Eleven. Waiting for the rain to stop.
Oh, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. If you're worried about slipping at all, there's this one, but if it's just a mess, don't worry about it. It's all good. Yeah, of course.
Can't. No one came to rescue us, Nathan. Did you get
No, we just
scared?
had to get off the riverbank, Nathan.
These poor guys went back for the cars and we headed back home soaking wet and cold and regretting why we didn't turn back when we could. So thank you so much for coming along, and please don't forget to subscribe, to share and like the video, and see you on the next page. Thank you.